Today we'll be checking out the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace ShipStation integration plugin. And with the help of this particular plugin, now you can integrate your multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul for the WooCommerce platform with the ShipStation platform for efficient processing, fulfilling, and shipping of orders via major shipping carriers. So basically, the plugin will allow the admin and the sellers to create shipments using the ShipStation web-based software, and the ShipStation shipping rates would be calculated from the seller's address. The sellers would be able to save their ShipStation credentials, and the admin can enable automatic export orders to ShipStation under his own account panel, and the sellers can also export the order on their ShipStation account under their own account panel. So both the admin and the marketplace sellers can now make use of the ShipStation shipping method, and can choose the allowed shipping carriers that would then be visible to the respective customers for choosing before placing the orders there at the storefront. As you can see right now, I'm at the storefront, and I'm just about there at the checkout page. And here under the shipping, you can see that we have different shipping methods available, like the first class mail package, the priority mail legal flat rate envelope. We have the priority mail express legal flat rate envelope, and we also have the media mail packages. Now all of these shipping carriers that are available here depends upon whether the product is of the admin or the marketplace sellers. So both of the admin and the marketplace sellers would have their own separate ShipStation account, so they'll have to register themselves there, and after that they'll have to enable the different shipping carriers there, and they'll have to get their API credentials that need to be set up at the admin's end for the admin's product, and at the marketplace vendors account for the vendors there. So I'll be showing you that process in a while from now. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So first of all, let me show you how to get the ShipStation API credentials. So for that, you'll have to navigate to the ShipStation website, and the required steps are shown within the user guide of this particular plugin that I've just attached within the description below of this particular video. So you can go through that particular user guide to check how to get the ShipStation, how to add the carriers. So after you've navigated to the ShipStation website, you'll have to create your account there. For that, you'll have to enter your details at the initial page. Thereafter, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on the let's go to shipping. After submitting the previous page there, a verification email would be sent out to your email address that you have entered here within that particular page, or that's the create my account page, and you'll get this particular kind of an email, and thereafter you can check your email and can check the verification email there. Within that, you'll have one verification link. You'll have to tap that up, and after your account gets verified, you can see that you'll have this particular ShipStation. Thanks for verifying your account. It's time to log in and get shipping. So you'll just tap then on the go to login page, and thereafter you'll have to move to the ShipStation login page. So here you can see that this is the login page after you've logged in, and here we have the welcome, insights, orders, shipments, products, and customers section. And here you can manage your store in a number of ways, like you can get the insights on your sales, customer engagements, you can manage your orders, shipments, products, you can also calculate the rate of shipping, etc. Now in order to get your API and the secret key, you'll have to navigate to the API settings here under your account. So within this image, you can see that I've logged into my ShipStation account, and thereafter I've navigated to my account, under that to the API settings, and here you'll find your API keys at the end, the API key and the API secret. Now these two keys are to be entered by the WooCommerce Marketplace Web Store admin in the plugin configuration settings, as well as for the marketplace vendors there under their own account panel. So let me show you where exactly these keys are to be put. So for that, let me show you at the vendors end first. And before that, this is the particular ShipStation page where you need to navigate to. If you already have one account, you can log in. Otherwise, you can try it for free as well. You can just tap here in the try it free, and then you'll be sent on to register yourself. Now here you have the registration page, and here you'll be entering your details by choosing your country, first name, last name, your email ID, and the rest of the details there. Then you'll have to tap here in the get started. Then you'll receive one email that would be having one verification link. Click that link to verify your email address, and after your email has been verified, then you can log into your account for free. So to use it on the extended basis, you'll have to have the plans purchased from the ShipStation itself. So you can also try it for free. Now let's go back to the vendor's end at the marketplace storefront. So here I'm at the storefront, and I'll be logging into my vendor account by entering my username and my password. And after login, on the left hand side I have my marketplace dashboard options, account options, and here I'll have to navigate to the marketplace ShipStation shipping section. So this is for the vendors to make use of the marketplace ShipStation. So you have to have your account at the ShipStation itself, and after you have the API key and the API secret, you can first of all enable this option here, then enter your API key, your API secret, and thereafter you'll be able to choose your allowed carriers. So right now I'm using the free version, and it's almost expired right now, so that's why you're not able to see the allowed carriers here. So these carriers basically would be available after you've enabled the carriers from the ShipStation account itself. So after login, you'll have to enable the different carriers that you want to use for the ShipStation itself. So basically multiple carriers can be enabled by the vendors as well as admin for their respective products. So after choosing your carriers here, you just need to tap here on the save button, and now whenever a customer tries to purchase your products, the allowed carriers that you have chosen here first that have been enabled in your ShipStation account and then chosen here would be available to the customers at the time of checkout. So here you have to choose your allowed carriers and then just tap here on the save button. Now let's show you how the admin can do the same. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel. But before that, let me show you how you can choose your carriers and fulfillment. So for that, under your account here we have the shipping option. Tap on that. You'll go to the carriers and fulfillment, and here you'll have to add a provider account by tapping here in the add provider account, and thereafter you'll be able to see the complete list of providers there. So you can connect a shipping or a fulfillment provider from here, and you can basically all of these carriers are under the all providers here, and this is same for the admin as well as for the vendors, but they're with their own respective accounts at the ShipStation itself. So after choosing the ones that you want to have, like UPS or USPS, so if you remember I showed you USPS there, you have to tap here on the connect button, and after you've chosen your carriers here, you'll have to choose your ship from location as well. So the vendors need to set the location of the origin and the return shipping address for the packages that are going to be shipped through the ShipStation. So you'll navigate to ship from location section, and you can reach that by tapping here in the account setting, and then under the shipping you'll have to go to the ship from locations, and here the vendors can add the ship from location and the other address information as well, and they can also set up their default address for managing the incoming orders. So after entering these things, you can choose this is my default location and tap here on the save changes button that's in the green color. Apart from that, you can also choose the international shipping, and for that again under the shipping you'll have to go to the international settings here, and from here you'll have to choose your default custom information like the content type, non-delivery options, custom declaration, signed customer as, and the rest of the details, and thereafter you'll be able to set up your international settings as well. So now let's log into the admin backend panel, and let's see how the admin can set up the API key and the rest of the initial configurations there for the WooCommerce Marketplace multi-vendor ShipStation integration plugin that we have created there. So I've entered my username password, and I'll be logged into my account now. So now what I need to do is I need to navigate to WooCommerce and then settings, and here we'll be setting up the shippings. We'll just tap here in the shipping tab that we have. And here under the shipping zones, if you see, you can see the marketplace ShipStation link. So I'll just tap on the marketplace ShipStation link that we have, and that will bring up the complete configuration settings for the same for the admin there. And here you can see that we are on the marketplace ShipStation section. So the admin can check this option to enable this particular functionality for shipment using the ShipStation. To disable, uncheck this option. So I'll just check that up. The admin will enter his own API key and the API secret for his own ShipStation account. He'll be choosing the weight unit as pounds or kilograms. Here the admin will choose the allowed carrier. So basically, after the admin has chosen the carriers, as I've already shown you, you can check the user guide for more details. So in the account at the ShipStation, the carriers that have been chosen there would be visible here, and from them you can multi-select your carriers that you want to enable for your products, so that those products can be shipped using those carriers. Then you can choose ship to applicable countries. You can also choose specific countries or all allowed countries depending upon the nature there. Then if you've chosen it as specific countries, then you can choose your specific countries here by entering the name of them. You can also set up the handling fee for the same, and here you can choose to export the orders automatically. So if you have chosen this as no, then the admin and the vendors need to export the orders automatically to ShipStation. Otherwise, if you have chosen this as a yes, then whenever an order for the admin or the seller products are placed, then the particular order is exported automatically to the ShipStation itself. And thereafter, you just need to tap here on the Save Changes button to save the changes here for the marketplace ShipStation itself, for the admin, and for the initial configuration as well. Now let's see how the admin would be able to manage his ShipStation orders. So for that, the admin just needs to navigate to WooCommerce, and under that orders, and that would bring up the complete list of orders that are in place there. So here you can see the status of each of the orders as well, and here you can see the export orders to ShipStation option. So if any of the orders have not been exported to the ShipStation, if the auto export is set to no, then the admin needs to manually tap here on the export button, and that particular order would then be synchronized with the ShipStation account of the admin, and the details of this particular order would be exported to the admin's ShipStation account there. So for that, you just need to tap here in the export button, and then the order would be exported to the admin's ShipStation account. And then you can see this particular what we say as the prompt as well, that the order has been or the order has been exported to the ShipStation successfully, and then you can tap OK to come back to this particular section. Now let's see how the marketplace vendors would be able to do the same, and that's export the orders to the ShipStation, and how they can print the invoice for that same, and the other details. So for that, let me log out of the admin account panel of the backend, and we'll be logging into the seller's account panel now. So I'll just log into the seller's account by entering the username, password, and tapping in the login button. Now after the orders have been placed for the vendor products, the vendors can navigate to their orders section. So here I'll just scroll down and we'll go to the order history section. So if the auto export is set to yes, then whenever the order is placed for the vendor's product, then the order is directly and automatically synchronized with the vendor's ShipStation account. So there's no need to export it manually. But in the case if it's set as no, then the vendor needs to export the orders manually, and that can be done by tapping on the order history, and after that you'll see the complete list of orders. And here you can tap on the view button under the view order for the respective orders, and then you'll have two options here for the order. So here you can see that the shipping was selected as USPS first class mail package, and here we have the customer details as well. So from here the vendor can print the invoice for this particular order by tapping here in the print invoice button, and that brings up the details. Here you can see the shipping method is there, the price and the total cost of the product as well. And let's close it out, and from here, if you have not exported it, then you can export it to the ShipStation by tapping in the export order to ShipStation button, and that would basically export the order onto the ShipStation account of the vendor itself. And then the vendor can see this particular order exported to ShipStation successfully success message. Also kindly note that this order is complete right now, and I've shown you how to print the invoice and export the order on ShipStation. So you'll be thinking, where is that particular order changing option here? So let me show you that for a pending order. So it's a new order that we have received, and the order status can be changed by going to the order status section, and from the drop down we can choose the respective one, and thereafter we can make the changes to the order, and thereafter you can print the invoice, and you can also export the orders onto the ShipStation itself. Now after the order has been exported to the ShipStation account by the vendors, or be it the admin, they can navigate to their section where they have the awaiting payment section, and then the particular orders would be listed, as you can see right now, within the account panels at the ShipStation. And here they can view and manage all of the orders that have been exported from their WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace web store to this particular ShipStation itself. And basically here the admin or the vendors can see the orders whose invoice has not been generated, whose shipment has not yet been created, and whose shipment has been done, and the orders which are cancelled as well. So all of these details can be seen here by the vendors as well as the admin under their own ShipStation account. Now as soon as the order status is changed there by the vendor or the admin for his own products, so if you see we have changed it to processing, then the order status at the ShipStation would also be set up and would be set as pending there. And here you can see that the order number 105 was there, and this is the same order number 105, and here we have set it as processing, and the same is here visible here as well. The order is in the awaiting shipment section right now. So from the awaiting payment, it has come under the awaiting shipment. After initially when it was on it was just placed and exported, it was under the awaiting payment. After the status of the order got changed to processing, it came under the awaiting shipment section there. And for the particular order, before doing the shipment, the vendor, this is the order number 105, awaiting shipment. From here the vendor can check the details of the order, and if he wants, he can add the tags to the order as well from this particular section under the total paid. As you can see from here, the vendors can add the tags as well. So this is after while you're going to create the shipment for the same, and from here you'll be able to generate the shipment for this particular package itself. And on the right hand side here you can see that we have the shipping info, and there's the weight, service, package, and the rest of the details and the rate of the same. So this is the amount that would be there for the shipment that would be applicable to the vendor's account. To generate the shipping slips, you'll have to go to the shipped option, and here you'll have the option within the print. You'll have to choose your order here, so you'll check that up, then tap here in the print, tap on the packaging slips, and that will bring up the packaging slip itself with the details there shipped to, the order ID, the item description, the price, quantity, and the other details as well, as you can see, along with the barcode or for the packaging slip itself. And after tapping on the create label, you'll be able to see the shipping label. As you can see right now, this is a sample one for the USPS tracking itself. So this is the kind of one that you'll be able to generate through your ShipStation there for the required carrier that was used there. Now after printing the package slip for the order and creating a label, the vendor will come back to his account, go to the orders, the same order 105, and will update the order status here from processing to complete, and the order status would then get updated, and the customer would also be able to receive the tracking ID there. And when now the vendor or the admin under his account panel, after completing the order there, after generating the shipping slip and the shipping label. If he comes back after the order has been set as now from processing to completed, under the shipping section he'll be able to find his order, and this section is the shipped section, that the particular shipment has now been shipped. So that was much about the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace ShipStation integration, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, or suggestions, kindly do get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can also raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com, or you can contact us through www.webkul.com/contacts. And lastly, please do give this particular video a thumbs up if you like the video. And thanks for watching this particular video. And